Oh wow, guys, we are back with your favorite brand. Oh boy, this is my first time actually reviewing an R-Class. It's an R350. Let's take a look and see if it squeaks. I think it will, though. I just got a feeling. Decent legroom, actually. Let's see how the front does. These are some really wide doors, by the way. But it's easy to get out. It wouldn't be a Mercedes review without cracked wood. But at least they keep it real. Real wood is better than fake wood. Anyway, let's see if the rest of it squeaks. Something keeps making a noise coming from this little area here. It sounds like a disc about to eject. And now the noise went away. Interesting. Oh. Yep, this is what we love Mercedes for. Oh yeah, I just love hearing that whenever I hit a bump in the road. It makes me feel so luxurious and expensive. Makes me feel good about my purchase. I don't want to hit this too much because I think it's with the horn. Imagine driving and you just want to rest your arm and then, yeah, that's no fun. That may be the loudest glove box I've ever experienced. Let's do the button test. And let's start her up. Alright guys, how does it do? Well, I think you guys by now should know what I would score something like this. A lot of it was pretty creaky. I'm not gonna lie, the sides of the doors are actually not too bad. I wish the rest of the interior was like that though. And again, another disappointment from Mercedes. Just like my other reviews, the interior quality has nothing to do with actually owning the car or driving experience or anything. That's a whole separate deal. But for the interior quality, it's kind of subpar. I'm gonna give it a 4 out of 10, just like I've given other Mercedes that have also been squeaky. But this score is no surprise. As far as materials go, not looking too great, honestly. Not super impressed. Most everything is actually soft touch. Up here is soft touch. Down here, even down here, which is impressive, but this is kind of crappy texture. It does not feel very expensive to the touch, and it carries over up here, all the way over here. Not that great. I mean, like I said, it's soft. It's better than hard plastic, but I wish they had a better texture. You guys know how I feel about MB techs. I think expensive luxury vehicles should have at least like a lower grade of real leather as standard, but I guess it beats cloth. And then these might just be the worst sun visors I've ever seen in a German car. These are rough. Like, it's not only plastic, but it's rough. Horrible texture. It literally feels like some kind of sandpaper. I bet I could build a house with this. Terrible, terrible, terrible. The wood is kind of nice in here, or at least the wood that's not cracked. Mercedes seems to do okay with wood. And we got a leather steering wheel, so got plastic bits that look like metal, but it's not. I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 10 for materials. So there you guys have it. 4 out of 10 for fit and finish, 5 out of 10 for materials. Kind of a low score, but you know it deserves it. Let me know what you guys think. Also guys, don't forget to check out the Amazon affiliate links. It helps me out a tiny bit. You don't even have to buy the product that I have listed. You can just use the link to buy whatever you were going to buy anyway. It takes an extra 45 seconds out of your life, but it helps me out a tiny bit. So if you guys wouldn't mind, I would very greatly appreciate it. Anyway, I will see you guys next video. Let me know if you want to see some more content with my ATS. If you want to see a review or like top 5 things I like and dislike about it, something like that. If you want to see content other than my usual interior reviews, let me know what you think. Please comment below. I read all the comments. Alright guys, see you next video. Peace.